What makes Body Beautiful better than any other medical spa?
Here at Body Beautiful, what makes us the best medical spa in Pittsburgh is that we have some of the most convenient locations for customers to find us easily. We have the most experienced staff in the business, and we have the most up-to-date equipment on the market for doing these types of procedures.
What kind of procedures do you guys offer at your medical spas?
We offer almost 50 different cosmetic procedures. A lot of laser procedures we do that are most popular are permanent hair reduction, body contouring, teeth whitening, skin tightening, wrinkle reduction. We also do some procedures, surgical procedures such as lip implants and liposuction, and also some that are covered by insurance like spider veins and varicose veins. Here at Body Beautiful, we have some of the most experienced staff. If you're getting a surgical procedure done by one of our surgeons, a laser procedure by one of our laser technicians, or simply just a facial by one of our estheticians, we have you covered. Customer satisfaction is very important here at Body Beautiful. We give back incentive programs to customers who spread the good word about Body Beautiful.